In this video, we are going to learn how organisms can become extinct. Throughout the history of life on Earth, scientists estimated that about 4 billion different species have existed. Yet, currently, scientists estimate that there are only 8.7 million species of organisms that are alive, and the rest have become extinct. So what do we mean by extinction? Well, a species becomes extinct when the last individual of that species dies. Animals that have not adapted well to their environment are less likely to survive and reproduce than those that are well adapted. And this can lead to extinction. Now, there are many different causes for extinction, but they always involve a change in the environment of the organism. This could be a change in temperature, new predators, new diseases, or new competitors. For example, new predators can wipe out unsuspecting prey animals very quickly if the prey animals do not have adaptations to avoid them. In addition, new diseases can bring a species to the point of extinction. The Australian Tasmanian devil is one example of this. These rare animals are dying from a new form of communicable cancer that attacks and kills them very quickly. Finally, one species can cause another to become extinct by successful competition. This is because new mutations can give one type of organism a real advantage over another. This means that the more successful competitor can take over from the original animal or plant and cause it to become extinct.